Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Most people welcome Narendra Modi's elevation as BJP's PM candidate. Some support Rahul Gandhi. Some say change of guard won't make any difference. House committee finding proves involvement of some politicians in drugs nexus. Chairman of the committee, Miki Pacheco, tells media.
Of course, yes, of course. There are involvement, of course. I don't deny that.
There is a proposal to merge Goa Vikas Party with NCP, confirms Miki. Sources tell Prudent, concrete decision in next 15 days. No shelter, empty stomachs and rags to wear. The tale of Vanarmari, the tribe prays for basic amenities, basic human conditions. And Churchill slams All India Football Federation for non-payment of club's dues. AIFF must pay us 80 lakh rupees first, says Churchill Alemão. Now the news in detail. After the official coronation of Narendra Modi as a prime ministerial candidate of the BJP, Prudent tried to gauge mood of Goa. Majority of the people termed this decision as the right one. Many feel that Rahul Gandhi is the right choice for the post of prime minister. Few of them feel change of guard won't make any difference. They are expecting a corruption and inflation-free nation from the new prime minister.
BJP candidate declare केला Modi as a prime minister candidate. आणि सपोज काँग्रेसने राहुल गांधी केलो त्याला किती जातले मोदी जिंकलो का राहुल गांधी जिंकतलो
म्हाका दिसता मोदी जिंकतलो
तुका कोण जाय
मोदी जाय
कित्याक जाय
कित्याक आमच्या गोंयान सगळे बीजेपी एक लावून बरें दिसता न्हू डेव्हलप केला ताका लागून
मोदी येयल्यार डेव्हलपमेंट जातली आणि
शुअर जातली 100%.
राहुल गांधी कित्याक ना
जावचें ना दिसता
काँग्रेसी कडेन जावचें ना
शुअर कित्याक म्हणजे आतां काँग्रेसीक वाजयला न्हू लोक आतां 10 वर्सां जाली काँग्रेस आसा केंद्रान ताका लागून
म्हाका दिसता मोदी टफ फायटर गोवा.
मोदी येवपाक जाय काय राहुल गांधी
आतां येवपाक जाय असो दिसता की कोण बरें काम करता ते येवपाक जाय. आतां मोदीचेर चडशें मोदी
चडशे होप मोदीचेर
मोदीचेर हो.
इतले वर्सां जे राज चलयताले ते आमचे गांधी सरकार चलयताले न्हू इंदिरा गांधी जसं नेहरू आणि हे बाकीचे चलयताले त्या प्रमाणे आमचे गरीब परिस्थिती तशी आयल्यान त्या प्रमाणे सगळें लिमिटीन चलतालें. आतां हे आमकां दिसता की परत ते राहुल गांधीचे जी घराण्यान आसा ते कोणी तरी राज करचें कित्याक जाणा तो तांकां बरी ती समज आसा.
नरेंद्र मोदी की राहुल गांधी
नरेंद्र मोदी तो कितें तरी करतलो. ताणें गुजराताक खूब उदरगत केल्या आनी म्हाका दिसता तो प्रायम मिनिस्टर जाय जाल्यार इंडियेची खूब उदरगत जातली भारताची आनी आमची गोंयचीय जातली.
राहुल गांधी
ना पुरो काँग्रेसीन राज्य केला तितले पुरो खूप केले.
नरेंद्र मोदी कित्याक जाय
मातसो कॅन्डिडेट बरो आहा न्हू हेजे पेक्षा राहुल गांधी पेक्षा तो बरो आहा.
तुका कितें दिसता नरेंद्र मोदी डिक्लेअर केला म्हणून बीजेपी येवंक शकता पावर
म्हाका चड करून दिसता कितें बीजेपी येवपाचें दिसता कित्याक नरेंद्र मोदीक चड सपोर्ट आहा.
ॲक्च्युली दोघूय जावन सारकें जाता ते. नरेंद्र मोदी इज वेल आमी कसो म्हणटा एक टेक्निकली सॉलीड पार्टी तो बरो आसा तसो आनी राहुल गांधी इज अ गुड पर्सन गो. बट आतां आमकां सद्या कितें जाय द बेस्ट पर्सन हू वील रन अस म्हणजे हे आतां क्रायसीस जे आसा सगळे ते सगळे क्रायसीस आमकां सॉर्ट आउट करून जावन दितात हील बी द बेस्ट वन.
Meanwhile, BJP government's alliance partner and Goa Vikas Party head Miki Pacheco has said that Lok Sabha poll is still away and he will decide about his support once the election is announced.
At least to support Modi's candidature.
It's still time, no? It's still time. See, being a different party at this juncture, making a statement is a lot more different.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
House committee probe has proved involvement of Goan politicians into drugs nexus. A committee was appointed by the Legislative Assembly to probe nexus between the politicians, police and drug peddlers. Committee will table its report in the upcoming assembly session. Committee head and Vanarmari Miki Pacheco informed that the report is ready and will be tabled in the House during the next session.
A much-awaited report exposing involvement of politicians, police and drug mafias will be tabled in the upcoming assembly session. Committee Chairman Miki Pacheco has refused to disclose details of the report.
This time, for this session, I'll table the report.
So, the report is ready?
Almost ready.
Is there any truth in that? The drugs, police and this politician? Any nexus? Is it a fact? Any nexus?
See, I don't want to name it.
No, not name. We are
not
asking you.
Of course.
Does such a thing exist or not?
Yes, of course. There are involvement, of course.
Okay.
I don't deny that.
A House committee was appointed by the Assembly to probe involvement of one of Roy in the infamous drug mafia police politician nexus. Committee had asked to submit report within a month, but committee had asked for more time to submit report. Miki has also had grievances that police are not cooperating with his probe. Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
GVP Supremo Miki Pacheco has confirmed that there is a proposal to merge his Goa Vikas Party into the NCP. Although he did not give any definite answer on whether he will go ahead with the merger, sources told Prudent that a concrete development is expected within the next 15 days.
Lok Sabha election is coming closer and political realignments are already shaping up. Nuve MLA and Supremo of Goa Vikas Party Miki Pacheco disclosed that there is a proposal to merge GVP with NCP.
There are a lot of talk going on. There are a lot of proposal comes from different corners. See, that doesn't mean I should consider.
But there was a proposal from NCP also.
There are proposal, but of course, that party doesn't have representation in the Vidhan Sabha, so, they probably want. But that doesn't mean if such anything there, and really I'm taking such a party will decide what to do and when to do. I will definitely, first thing I'll do, inform the media.
There was a proposal, you are not giving out.
There was a proposal. That doesn't mean there was a proposal.
Sources told Prudent that a proper decision is expected within next 2 weeks. Goa Vikas Party, founded by late Sitaram Bandodkar, was revived by Miki Pacheco during last assembly election. Miki addressed media in Panji. He also had his own take on the mining scenario.
I did a Rosalind. Chief Minister go यहाँ खाते असले. Chief Minister का proof करो पादल ना. Truck driver, truck owner, barges, laborers, mining laborers, whatever may call in the mining sector. Today, they are literally on the street. Why? Who's responsible? Now, a person who made, that point of time made the PAC report. Now, that report is correct or wrong, you should write. And if it's right, okay, people who involved in illegal mining should be faced. But nothing happening here.
Sources say that the ruling alliance has distanced itself from Miki from the last few months, and relations between him and CM Manohar Parrikar are strained. And although his stand cannot damage the ruling arrangement, he can definitely create some ripples. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
No shelter, empty stomachs and rags to wear. This is the story of a tribe in Goa, locally known as Vanarmari. This tribe is residing at Kasamshil Kodar for the past 3 generations. Despite poverty, this tribe manages to celebrate Savat every year with available resources. But Ganpati Bappa's blessings seem to be evading them. Vanarmaris have urged the government for a decent employment, education for children and a better living standard. And yes, a small piece of land for celebrating Savat.
Savat is one of the biggest festivals of Goa. Poor as well as rich celebrate it. But today we are showing you a different Savat. Savat of homeless, Savat of penniless, Savat of foodless, Savat of Vanarmaris, who worship Ganpati Bappa with same vigor and devotion as we do. Young generation of this ancient tribe Vanarmari have erected a small pandal to worship Ganpati Bappa's idol. Lighting, sound system, everything runs on battery. There are around 100 Vanarmari at Kasamshil Kodar. Members of Vanarmari tribe told us that few generous people have provided them some help.
हे जास्त 5 दीस दौरिया 7 दीस पण तितले पैसे आमका जायना नाले कोणाकडे असे मागता असे पैसे मासे दी मागीर आम्ही एक 5 जण लागून तुमगेल पैसे पेड करतो तसे आता एकट्यान मेद दिला आमका मकर असे करून दिला तेंगेले इथून ते करून दिता आमका असे
3 generations of this Vanarmari tribe are residing at Kodar. Their ancestors killed monkey as an occupation, but the new generation has opted for labor works in sugarcane fields. They are earning, but it is not enough for them to build a house. No ration card and proper food to eat. They are requesting government to provide a small piece of land for Ganpati Pujan.
तुम्ही कोणी सपोर्ट करचा आमका आणि जागा बी दिवपाची आमका गणपती पुजपा जागा ना जागा.
Vanarmari also feel that their children should get education.
आमका जागा ना जमीन ना काय ना आमची भुरगी शाळेन कोण भराना
भुरगे बी शाळेन घालपाचे आणि आमका भुरगे मात शाळा शिकोवपाचे असले अशें आमी चिंतताले कुठले
लागीं तुमकां
शाळा शिगण्यार आसा लागीं
पण तुमी भुरग्याक धाडटा
भुरगे धाडटले आसले म्हटले ते आजून चवकशी करून ते आतां आमकां कळपा लागना.
Vanarmari pray for blessings from Ganpati Bappa as well as from the administration for a better living.
तुमचो वार्षिक गणपती 7
दीस म्हटल्यार अशें आमगेले हांगा दुसरे जागा आसा हांगा धांवडयले जाल्यार दुसरी कडेन वचपाक जाय रेशन कार्ड ना काय ना ते आतां रेशन कार्ड कोणी कितें उपाय केला कोणी दिवचे आमकां.
Some of the government servants are also availing the benefits of Antodaya scheme by having 2 ration cards. Government also provides them this facility for vote bank politics. Administration may not get votes, but yes, it will get blessings if they address the predicaments of Vanarmari. They just want decent employment, a roof and education for their children. And not to forget a little space of land for worshipping Ganpati Bappa. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.